Hello everyone, this is Raj. You are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. Our SSCG previous year question series is going on, and this is part 2 of 23 March 2021 paper evening shift. I hope you all are excited. Let's start with our first question. Question number 21. Indian Road Congress IRC was founded in the year. Options are A. 1934, B. 1945, C. 1950, D. 1960. So the correct answer is option number A. 1934. Question number 22. Which of the following design methods of reinforced cement concrete structure is based on the linear elastic theory? Options are A. Ultimate load method, B. limit state method, D. Carney's method, D. working stress method. So the correct answer is option number D. working stress method. Question number 23. Select the correct option with regard to the following statement S1 and S2 pertaining to two types of paint. S1. In plastic paint, the thinner used is oil. S2. Varnish is an homogeneous solution of resin in alcohol. Options are A. Both S1 and S2 are false, B. S1 is true, S2 is false, C. Both S1 and S2 are true, D. S1 is false, S2 is true. So the correct answer is option number D. S1 is false and S2 is true. Question number 24. According to IRC Indian Road Congress, what is the maximum stripping value of the aggregate to be used in bituminous construction like surface dressing? Options are A. 10%, B. 12%, C. 25%, D. 45%. So the correct answer is option number C. 25%. Question number 25. Coagulant alum used for treatment of water is also known as. Options are A. Sodium aluminate, B. Aluminium sulfate, C. Ferric chloride, D. Ferric sulfate. So the correct answer is option number B. Aluminium sulfate. Question number 26. As per IS 10500-2012, the permissible limit of total dissolved solids TDS in mg per liter in drinking water in the absence of an alternate source is. Options are A. 200, B. 500, C. 1000, D. 2000. So the correct answer is option number D. 2000. Question number 27. According to IS 2180-1988, what is the minimum bulk density of heavy-duty burnt clay bricks? Options are A. 2.5 gram per centimeter cube, B. 4.5 gram per centimeter cube, C. 7.5 gram per centimeter cube, D. 8.5 gram per centimeter cube. So the correct answer is option number A. 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. Question number 28. Which of the following method is not used for assessment of the heritable value of a property building complex? Options are A. profit-based method, B. annuity method, C. rental method, D. capital value method. So the correct answer is option number B. annuity method. Question number 29. Highest momentary peak discharge at the respective point of observation in river flow, which is equaled and exceeded once every year, is known as. Options are A. backwater, B. avulsion, C. annual flood, D. base flood. So the correct answer is option number C. annual flood. Question number 30. According to IS 800-2007, in the limit state design of steel structure, the limit state of strength does not include. Options are A. corrosion and durability, B. rupture of the structure, C. stability against overturning, D. fracture due to fatigue. So the correct answer is option number A. corrosion and durability. Question number 31. What is the correct sequence of preparing an estimate? 1. detail estimate, 2. approximate estimate, 3. supplementary estimate, 4. revised estimate. Options are A. 2134, B. 1234, C. 1324, D. 4312. So the correct answer is option number A. 2134. Question number 32. The amount of water content remaining in a unit volume of soil after downward gravity drainage has ceased is called. Options are A. Seepage water, B. Field capacity, C. Readily available moisture, D. Permanent wilting point. So the correct answer is option number B. Field capacity. Question number 33. Limit state of collapse deal with. Options are A. Durability under working environment during their anticipated exposure conditions during service, B. Deflection and cracking of structure under service loads, C. The strength and stability of structure subjected to the maximum design loads out of the possible combination, D. Fire resistance. So correct answer is option number C. The strength and stability of the structure subjected to the maximum design loads out of the possible combination. Question number 34. The minimum stripping time of soffit formwork to beam props to be refixed immediately after removal of formwork is. Options are A. 3 days, B. 7 days, C. 14 days, D. 21 days. So correct answer is option number B. 7 days. Question number 35. What is the percentage of alumina in good brick earth? Options are A. 1 to 5%, B. 5 to 10%, C. 20 to 30%, D. 45 to 55%. So the correct answer is option number C. 20 to 30%. Question number 36. If n is the number of sides of a closed traverse, then select the incorrect checks applied on a closed traverse. Options are A. The sum of measured exterior angle should be equals to 2n plus 4 of right angle. B. The forebearing of the last line should be equal to its back bearing plus minus 180 degree measured at the initial station. C. The sum of measured exterior angles should be equal to the sum of measured interior angles. D. The sum of measured interior angles should be equal to 2n minus 4 of right angles. So the correct answer is option number C. The sum of measured exterior angles should be equal to the sum of measured interior angles. Question number 37. Which of the following test is not used for testing fineness of the cement? Options are A. Sieve method, B. Wagner turbidity method, C. Air permeability method, D. Density bottle method. So the correct answer is option number D. Density bottle method. Question number 38. The relation between the area of crop irrigated and the quantity of irrigation water required during the entire period of the growth of that crop is known as. Options are A. Head, B. Duty, C. Delta, D. Depth ratio. So the correct answer is option number B. Duty. Question number 39. According to Indian Road Congress, the flakiness index of coarse aggregate used in bituminous concrete and surface dressing should not be exceed. Options are A. 10, B. 25, C. 35, D. 45. So the correct answer is option number B. 25. Question number 40. A cantilever beam of span L carries a uniformly distributed load of W kilonewton per unit length. What is the maximum deflection occurs in the beam? Options are A. WL square by 2 EI, B. WL cube by 6 EI, C. WL to the power 4 by 8 EI, D. WL to the power 4 by 48 EI. So the correct answer is option number C. WL to the power 4 by 8 EI. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also share this video as much as possible with your friends. Have a nice day.